watching the Breeds and I am Monica Artu. At present, no monsoon system is active over Madhya Pradesh. Monsoon trough is also now passing over Delhi. Due to this, there is no possibility of continuous rain in the state. According to meteorologists, due to the presence of large-scale moisture in the atmosphere, clouds will remain for now. Along with this, due to the increase in temperature at some places, there may be a scattered shower. Some due to the relative less rainfall, the threat of drought has started looming in the 13th district. The month of August is about to pass and there is a need for rain in the other areas, except Gwalior Chambal division in the state, in particular 13th district, including Jabalpur, Indore, have received 20 to 44% less rainfall than normal. According to the Meteorological Center, from 8:30 am to 5:30 pm on Tuesday, 9 in Mandla, 6 in Malakhand, 2 in Sagar, 1 in Nayagaon, 0.6 in Jabalpur, 0.4 millimeter of rain in Guna. The maximum temperature in the capital was recorded at 29.9 degrees Celsius, which was normal. The minimum temperature is 23.4 degrees Celsius recorded. It is 1 degree below normal is the norm. On the other hand, it was cloudy in the capital since morning. Due to this, the maximum temperature could not increase much. Meteorological PK Shah said that due to the absence of any weather system at present, there is less chance of the rain. However, due to the moisture present in the atmosphere, there may be rain on the thunder shower at selected places in the district of Sagar, Shahdol, Jabalpur, Bhopal, Hoshangabad, Indore, Ujjain, Gwalior and Chambal division. On Tuesday and Wednesday, according to the chart till now, Indore, Dhar, Barwani, Khargone, Harda, Chhatarpur, Panna, Damoh, Katni, Jabalpur, Mandla, Sioni and Balaghat have received 20 to 44% less rainfall. Ajay Shukla, former senior meteorologist of the Meteorological Center, said that due to the rains in the past, there is moisture in the ground at present also. Moisture is coming continuously due to the recessive window. It has made cloud in the situation. There is a possibility of the rain at some places due to the increase in temperature. Stay tuned with us on the Breeds for all such information and updates. Thank you.